Hi, welcome to Shawnee Hills Workshop. Today I'm going to work on a project that I should have done a long time ago. End of last summer, first of last fall, I put in a new HVAC system here in Shawnee Hills Workshop. Now it's an LG VRF system. It has one condensing unit and two air handling units. One air handling unit serves this area here, the game room, and the other air handling unit serves the wood shop. And the biggest reason for putting that in is for not just for comfort, but for humidity control. Since I'm making this place nicer, put in the pool table, put in some cabinets, and because I do woodworking, I want to keep the humidity somewhat under control. Well, like most things, I got it working just enough last year. I didn't need air conditioning anymore because it was getting into the cool season, so I just got it to where I could heat, and that was good enough. And so that's where I stopped. Well, now it has starting to get hot outside and I need to get the air conditioning going. And the only thing that's keeping that from happening is getting some condensate ran. So today I'm going to get up in the loft and install some condensate lines. Now the good thing is it's not very hot out this morning. It's about 6 a.m. Sun hasn't risen yet and it's a little overcast. So even when it does, it's not going to be that beating down on the barn roof very much, so we should have a good cool morning to get that knocked out. I'm not 100% sure I'll be able to video up there. We'll see. There's only one light in the entire loft, but I'll see if I can't run a cord and some lighting, and I'll take you guys along and we'll get some condensate lines ran on these units so I can have some AC in here.
Your bags, say all your goodbyes. Get ready for the ride of your life.
All we have to do is use a coupler here that's threaded on one side and then fit for a slip fit for a pipe on the other side. And we'll just screw that on with some Teflon tape, and then we'll glue in our PVC pipe.
You'll be traveling way across the sea. I know you're trying to set yourself free. So when you're out there on the road and you're feeling so alone, no matter where you go, you can always come back home. You can always come back home. We'll be singing songs just like we do. We'll always save a harmony for you. When you're traveling oh so far away, you'll have your voice, so don't forget to say, when I'm out there on the road and I'm feeling so alone, no matter where I go, I can always come back home. I can always come back home. So pack your bags, hold your head up high. Here comes the ride of your life. When you're cold and the winter winds attack, remember, friends, we've always got your back. when you're out there on the road, when you're feeling so alone. No matter where you go, you can always come back home. You can always come back home.
All right, well, this morning before I had to go to work, I was able to get both of the units, the condensate plumbed up on them and hooked up, and I got the one unit insulated. So it's been running all day. I just turned this one on. Hopefully I can get the insulation on before it starts condensating too much. Unfortunately now it's really hot up here, so we're gonna be breaking a sweat, but we'll see what we can get done.
Many unseen forces move my blood and shake my soul as I stumble through this inner land. I wonder if I'll make it home. Swear I'm bound to turn the corner round which I have never seen, beyond the doors of past imagining. Deepest place I've ever been. As fear is the teacher, if I have the guts to dive into the darkest chambers, my lonely heart and mind. To remember to forget.
I thought I had enough tape to finish insulating that duct, but I ran out, I didn't. So I'll have to get up early in the morning and go to Lowe's and get some more. I'm trying to only go to Lowe's at 6 in the morning because there's nobody there, just trying to avoid the crowds. So I'll get that and hopefully come back and get the return side insulated before work tomorrow morning. The return may sweat a little bit, I don't know, but I don't think it's going to be enough to bother it. I'll let it run tonight. It's already dropped it down to about 70 degrees in here, so that's kind of nice. And I haven't checked the condensate, but I bet it is pumping the moisture out. But this leads to another reason that I put this type of system in. Right now, the camera is right below the supply duct. The supply duct is about 6 feet above the camera and above my microphone here. Before, I actually have another system in the wood shop. It's an older split system, but it still works well. But I can't run it while I'm videoing because it's so loud. All you hear is the background noise of the fan running over the microphone. I'll be interested when I edit this later tonight, and you'll get to hear it if I ever post this video, that you know, how much you do or don't hear the fan running right now. So we'll see if this works. It seems to me I don't hear it here, just standing here. Hopefully the camera doesn't pick it up either. Well, if you like this kind of video, click that thumbs up button. If you don't, click the thumbs down. Leave me a comment, tell me why. If you're not already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Hit the bell if you want notifications when my videos come out. I'm trying to put a lot of them out now. So hopefully we'll see you next time.